Hey everyone, Dan here, and let's wake up with some Green Mountain Nantucket Blend coffee. This, I'm going to say it right off the bat, this is my favorite flavor of coffee. We always come back to this coffee, even when we stray off on different types, trying to taste and try different flavors and stuff. Nantucket Blend Green Mountain is kind of our tried and true. And this is a medium roast blend. On the box it reads it's a complex mix of rich flavors from berry-hued African beans and a touch of smoky French roast. Caramel, chocolate, dried fruit notes give a balance of the full-bodied, hearty blend. And yeah, you're gonna get that, but if you're a serious coffee connoisseur. But as for me, I definitely noticed a little bit of the chocolate and caramel, but at the end of the day, it's just a good, solid cup of coffee. Not only are you going to get a fantastic cup of coffee, but you also are getting what they call goodness in every cup, because Green Mountain is working with Blue Harvest to help support and protect vital water resources in the coffee farming communities throughout Central America. So you can really feel good about picking this coffee up and enjoying each mug every morning. So I hope this video helps you in making your decision to pick up some Green Mountain Nantucket Blend coffee. Thanks for watching.